Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use CAD landing pages. First, navigate to the CAD website and sign up for a free account or login. Once you are in, you will be presented with a selection of over 100 pre-designed templates. These templates are categorized for various uses, such as profiles, landing pages, and portfolios. Choose a template that aligns with your vision or opt for a blank canvas to build from scratch. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire page. Now that you have a template, it's time to make it your own. CAD's intuitive editor allows for straightforward customization. Simply click on any element, such as text boxes or images, to open its settings panel. Here, you can modify fonts, colors, sizes, and positions. You can also upload your own media, including high-resolution images and short video clips, to personalize your page. Experiment with different styles to achieve your desired aesthetic, ensuring your brand identity shines through. To expand your landing page's functionality, you can easily add new elements. Click the plus icon to access a menu of options, including text, images, videos, and buttons. CAD also supports various widgets, allowing you to embed contact forms, sign-up forms, or even external content like YouTube videos or Spotify playlists. These additions can significantly enhance user engagement. Remember to arrange your elements logically, perhaps using sections, to maintain a clear and professional layout for your visitors. Before making your page live, always preview it to ensure it looks great on various devices, from desktops to mobile phones. Once satisfied, click the Publish button. You will then be prompted to choose a site title, a brief description, and an optional social media image. You can publish to a free CAD subdomain or connect your own custom domain for a more professional look. With just a few clicks, your polished, one-page website will be live and accessible to the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.